Yes, Sarski, yeah, I'm cruising in the street right now. In that coupe, switching lanes, feeling insane. Ooh. Anyways, top of the top.
And be making waves, boy. And be making waves, boy.
Top of the top, y'all. Good morning. Hope you woke up. Fix my hat. Hope you woke up feeling amazing. I hope you achieve all the goals you got for yourself. Except for yourself today. And if you're watching this at night, I hope you had an amazing day. But anyways, so we on about to do a smoothie because hiking with Drewski today. So going on a little canyon rip, and we're gonna do a hike right after. No man, saw the previous video. I'm gonna start doing this more often. Early in the morning, woke up at 6 in the morning today. It's currently like 8. You know, I drank my coffee. I do a bunch of shit, clean, kicked it with my girl in the morning before she went to work. And now we about to go on this hike. I'm excited. Smoothie's done. I already know, bottoms up. Try it out, man. That shit is fire. It's better than what you think it's gonna be, you know? What's up, y'all? So we made it to the hike. I found my old camera, my G7X, so the vlog should be a little bit more natural, more better looking. Hopefully the audio comes out good. Here we are, somewhere in Malibu. Hopefully the wind is not horrible because I don't have a wind mic, so we'll try our best to get the best audio. Pretty much it's like a little four. Hopefully y'all enjoyed that little canyon run too. It's always dope coming up here and getting a little canyon run and a workout in. Let the car work out and Drewski had to work out. Yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed the little hike videos that I've been doing shit. So I'm trying to do this shit every week, and chances are it's always like dope car content I can film. But yeah, the valley, man. That valley looks nice.
And I shoot it from the hip, vicious family with the shits. Drop two-seater with the top hill. Need a girl to rock real, queen to call the shots. Give me top, hit the block, get the swerving. Swivel on the dick, spin cycle, clean this detergent. Put the work in, whoa.
Flexing, never stressing. Making bread is my profession. I'm well invested. Took a loss and that's a lesson. I'm well connected, well respected. In this life, you gon' learn your lessons. Stay on your grind, level up. All gas in the fast lane, make 3K on a bad day. No booth for the crab cakes, slide a C note to the valet. Burn sage on these bad days, keep the bad vibes over that way. Cover 2 for these past plays, praise Big Zeus, I'm back, baby. In a black Benz, calling it the prototype. You wanna grow, then stop making moves below your height. And it's a code, if you break it, then you know the price. I never fold, keep my word and go and do it right. Keep a semi-automatic, man, I gotta have it. I'm smoking gas with a bad bitch from Calabasas. I run it up, stack.
So we're like a quarter way on the hike. It's pretty dope. First time here. Hope y'all enjoying those little clips of the dope plants and trees and scenery. And yeah, so fucking beautiful. The sun is not really any chemtrails in the sky. Not too much wind. Sun is pure. It's hitting, man. Nice and warm. Feels like summertime already.
Another Mike D exclusive. Chris, California.
That was the best fucking I ever had.
So I was told that there's like a little trail leads to like a little ceramic garden trail type of thing. Yeah, a lot of fucking dry sticks. Oh, that's dope. Yo, that is so dope.
Kill 'em with success, yeah, I kill 'em with success. Every day I'm feeling blessed. I live life, make moves, less. You can always count on me, but can never count me out. I ain't got the type of time, it's just not what I'm about. I feel like Kobe in his prime, cause I'm young and ballin' out. I can never stop grinding till I buy my mama house. Look, I'm the one that's gon' get it, I'm too persistent. I'm minding my own business and then I spend it. Young and lonely with a vision, I'm something vicious. Trusting you is not my interest, you too suspicious. You too focused on these bitches trying to trick up on them. You text her phone, where she at? I'm dropping dick off on her. She throw it back.
So yeah, we made it to a little rusty. What is that? That should look like a tank.
When I'm in Japan, I'm ducked off for the week. I hit you when I land. So tap in, baby. You see, I kill 'em with success. Every day I'm feeling blessed.
It's beautiful out here. It's a lot of life, real nature. If you get all these bees and bugs around these plants, that means they're real, you know? Even bugs, from my research, animals and bugs could tell when the food is GMO and like the plants, the flowers are GMO that a lot of bugs nurture from. I hear some rattling. Yeah, let's just take the main road back. I am not risking it. Now if I had boots and all that, yeah. I'm out here with a tank top and some fucking shorts. Gotta come prepared. I'm gonna learn as I go too, you know? AC flowing in this thing, man. how you doing?
Did you have a good time?
Yes, amazing. It was beautiful.
Really?
Yes.
How long did you get there?
There's different peaks. I would say 20 to 30 minutes.
So 30 minutes?
It's not too steep.
Oh.
It's like smooth.
Oh, good for the senior, huh?
Yes, yes. It'll be perfect. All right.
Very nice, sir.
Enjoy your day. Shout out to him. But yeah. Good positive vibes, man. So I'm gonna do some shots right here.